Will I get a job in my profession? When moving to Canada, this is the biggest concern for skilled immigrants. There's a sad Canadian joke. What's the safest place to get a heart attack? It's at the back of a Canadian taxi because the driver is probably a doctor from a foreign country. You might have heard such horror stories, but you are going to be the generation to break this myth. And in this video, I am going to share with you the #1 strategy that will prepare you in advance to get a job in your own profession, which is know your occupation. In Canada, there are two types of occupations. One is regulated, which requires licensing or certification in order to work in your field. For example, doctors, nurses, accountants, teachers. And the other is non-regulated, which do not require any certification or licensing. For example, sales and marketing professionals, human resource managers, or administration. And you can simply check whether your occupation is regulated or non-regulated from the Job Bank website of Canada, where we will explore the market by occupation. Here, simply enter your NOC code. Let's say my NOC code is 1111. Now select a title from the list that drop downs below. I'm selecting accountant, and with regards to location, enter the region and province where you have decided to land. Let's say I want to go to Halifax region of Nova Scotia. So I select Halifax and then click on search. And on this page, click on requirements. And if you scroll down here under professional certification and licensing, this part allows you to see if your profession is regulated or non-regulated. Let's check for accountants. If you click here, you can notice that the occupation is regulated. And this tool is so good that it even gives you the names of the organizations that you can contact to learn more about the licensing process. Like if I want to go to Halifax, I will contact these organizations to inquire more about my licensing formalities. Now listen this. We take this big decision of migrating to Canada with a long-term perspective. And if your occupation is regulated and if your long-term goal is to get licensed in Canada in order to grow in your career, then I would encourage you to take your very next step at this very point and contact the licensing board in the province you wish to settle in to learn more about the licensing process, what are the required documents, any exams that you may have to give, or what are the admission deadlines and what is the cost involved in this whole process. This will not only save you a lot of time that is involved in this registration process, but will also allow you to arrange for any documents that might be required from your educational institutions, because I know these things are easy to do while you are still in your home country. Now the question is, if your occupation is regulated, then how will you get a job on landing? Here's a secret that I even learned after migrating to Canada. Most companies in Canada, they hire people for internship or articleship roles who are in the process of getting their certification in their professions. And even if you have not registered yet, but you intend to do so and you share your future prospects with your employers, they still consider your application for the internship roles. Like CPA firms, law firms, doctors, they all hire interns. And this is the best way to start your career in Canada, because this will not only give you the experience in your own field, but will also pay for your cost of living. And if you are not interested in getting licensed, you can still search for relevant positions that just require your education background and experience in the same field. For example, as we have seen that for accountants, the occupation is regulated. And if I don't want to go for all this regulation process, I can search for positions like an accounting assistant or accounting associate or junior or senior accountant, depending on my experience. And if your occupation is unregulated, then you don't have to go through the hassle of re-examination or relicensing, but you need to upgrade your skills to prepare yourself for the Canadian job market. By upgrading, what I mean is do some research in your job titles by going to the job search websites like Indeed, ZipRecruiter, or LinkedIn, and go through the job descriptions and requirements that employers are looking for in a candidate, and make a list of the skills that are in demand. For example, there might be a new software or technology that you need to work on, or there are some skills that are required, for example, advanced knowledge of Microsoft Excel, or you should be proficient in using Microsoft Outlook. So if you don't have those skills, make a list and start learning them online. I will share my personal experience with you. Being an accountant, when I had gone through this process, I found out that I need to learn a particular accounting software that is demanded by every employer in a job posting. So what I did is I went online, I took an online course, and I started learning that software while I was still in my home country. So what this learning did for me? Number one, it made my resume stand out from my competitors. 2, it boosted up my confidence when I started applying for jobs. And 3, I was seen as a proactive person who is ready to learn new things, because interviewers notice that although I am a newcomer, I am not unfamiliar with this particular technology. And this was one of the reasons that I landed 5 job offers within 30 days in my own profession. So you already have the experience, you already have that education. You just need to take the right steps at the right time. And keep in mind, whether your occupation is regulated or non-regulated, if you apply with the right job search strategies, you will definitely be able to land your very first job in your own profession. And it all starts with drafting your Canadian style resume, which we will be discussing in the next lesson. Now simply apply this strategy, and I hope this video has given you the confidence that yes, you will be able to get a job in your own profession. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a like and subscribe my channel to get more helpful tips on how to get a job in Canada as an immigrant. I'll see you in my next video.